Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and anything you can think of. Today I got the Challenger just started for the first time with the Holly Terminator on there. So I just thought I'd run that a minute while I sit here and see all the see how that's working. Feels good to listen to it run. You know. I just threw the battery in it real quick here just to let her idle a minute and put her in gear and backed it up a couple feet and hope I didn't wreck nothing here. Wow, that was close. Yeah, it's good to let it run and turn the lights on, let the charging system work a little bit. Fuel pressure looks good. I take it for a ride, but I got insurance on it, but the tabs are due, so I can't even drive it. So I know Monday I'll have to go get some tabs for her so I can take it out for a ride. But anyway, getting back to the transmission over here, I haven't done any videos on it lately because I'm still waiting for parts. UPS actually said that there was a train derailment on my tracking. No, parts won't be here till Monday. I ordered a new band, rear band. I ordered a new piston, an output shaft retainer, supports / piston, overdrive piston goes into here. You know, when we put this thing together, I'll go in detail with it, and then I get a new rear sprag. You know, but I did get the rear band. I did get the servo piston. I did get the new solenoids for the lockup torque converter and for overdrive. I'm going to paint it orange. And I got the new band. You can kind of see it there. And I got the new bigger 3/8 transmission lines I got to bend up. But I don't have no kit. That's the last thing I'm waiting for, is the kit. So I'm playing the waiting game. Yeah, I could take parts apart and I could clean them, but I like to do it all in one step. I don't want to take something apart today and sit around for a week. Yes, I took the transmission apart, but I left all the clumps together. You know, that's how I like to do things. So now, Red Dog, where this is going in, this overdrive, sits here in a mess. So I thought, well, I will start the Challenger. Let that run in a minute. I'd love to take it off for a ride right now. It's beautiful off, but that ain't gonna work. Geez, I hope I'm not burning cardboard here. I just seen this. close. Oh God. Yeah, I better shut her down. Oh well, that was tough fun there, I guess, for one day. Wonder if I can pull that out of there. What does that look like, huh? Oh well. I think it'll work. Yeah, you can see my light up Hemi badges here, but they're so bright you can't. Yeah, I'm thinking about selling it. Not sure. And I got a Grove Streeted with Dana 60 in it. You need a fuel pump. Well, now let's see. So why did that shut off? Automatic shut off? Don't even know how to open my door anymore. See what goes here. It's still in the learn process. Last year I had hailstones, and then they put the dumpster right in front of it. So anyway, that's just a little update on the transmission there and stuff. That's why I haven't been doing anything on it, waiting for parts. So I guess what we're gonna do now is shut this thing down. Oh well. Well, there it is. Anyway, that's all I know for now, I guess, guys. As soon as we get parts, we'll be doing more videos on that, so I can get it into that. Get that done. I want to get that done, so I can get it into that, so I can get that done. And then, anyway, but this Challenger's on other videos when I was building it. And, yeah, so, otherwise you can check those videos out too on the channel and stuff like that. So, anyway, you guys have a good evening. And then as soon as we get parts for that thing, then we'll do a video on it, putting it together. Please like and subscribe, guys, and I appreciate it for anybody that's subscribing, and take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.